What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from super noisy Miami, Florida, my hometown. I'm back here at Bombay Darbar and this is part of my Indian dish series. This is the third installment and today we're doing lamb vindaloo. This dish is delicious. I love the gravy. You know, it originated back in the state of Goa in the 15th century. If you guys don't know about Goa, that was part of the Portuguese. It was like one of the last states to become part of India. And let's go into Bombay Darbar and I see how they make this dish. Oh, I cannot wait. It is so good.
The goal of this series is to educate you guys about Indian cuisine and show you the process of what goes into making these dishes while also supporting local businesses during these tough times. A recent survey found that 95% of businesses have been impacted by the pandemic and 39% said they would be unlikely to survive without further government assistance unless sales go back to normal. President Biden has pushed the American Rescue Plan to help revitalize small businesses and supplement their lost income. But there are things you and I can do to help too, like being mindful of where you shop and supporting small businesses and local restaurants like Bombay Darbar.
All right guys, we're back. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Everything good?
I'm good.
Chef, I'm back.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. We're doing lamb vindaloo.
Lamb vindaloo.
Oh, I'm excited.
Lamb vindaloo is the boneless lamb, fish and potatoes, cooked with vinegar and a spicy sauce.
So boneless lamb cooked with vinegar and what else?
Piece of potatoes.
Piece of potatoes, okay.
Yeah, with spicy sauce.
With some spicy sauce. Oh, that's spicy sauce, huh?
Yeah, we put vinegar and then chili. We going together.
Oh wow, vinegar and chili, okay.
Then we're gonna put
Just 7 minutes and it's ready. So basically they use the same cashew-based sauce that they use for butter chicken and chicken tikka masala, but they added the vinegar with chili powder, that spicy sauce with the gravy, right? So that's the biggest difference.
for the vindaloo you can add medium or hot or higher, but no mild.
No mild.
Yeah, if you can eat spicy, you cannot eat vindaloo because it starts in medium.
Okay, so if you can't eat spicy, you can't eat vindaloo because it starts at medium. You have chicken vindaloos here too?
Yeah, it's them.
Okay, awesome,
Take
awesome.
the lamb out and then put the chicken.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So if you don't like lamb, you got chicken.
You got chicken. You got fish vindaloo also.
Oh, you got fish vindaloo too?
Vindaloo, shrimp vindaloo.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, I mean, you're in Goa, you have to have shrimp or fish vindaloo, for sure. I need to go there one day. I will. I mean, look at the aroma. I literally can go like this and just drink it. But if I drink that, I'll burn all my gums and then I won't be able to taste anything else. So if you guys don't know, I'm gonna start an Indian restaurant here in Miami, and this is why I'm gonna do it, because I love being in the kitchen. I actually wanna make my show in the kitchen, have a huge table, and bring every single person like you right here in my kitchen. The aromas are hitting me, dude, the spice. You can smell it. Whoa, spicy dish. Make it super spicy. Right here, he's checking if the lamb is cooked. 2 more minutes and it's ready, right?
Yeah.
That aroma, dude. So you're gonna put something on it? All right, perfect.
Ready. Yummy.
All right, that's it. I'll see you next time.
See you.
Oh, I cannot wait to try this dish. It is the absolute bomb of a dish. That lamb, oh, it just falls apart in your mouth, the spice level. Let's go home, let's eat it. All right, guys, this is it, lamb vindaloo, one of my favorite dishes. Vindaloo comes from Goa, 15th century, and this one in particular, look at this. I wanna read it to you because it's incredible. So the name comes from the Portuguese phrase, carne de vindha de alos, which translates to meat in garlic marinade. True to its name, the lamb is cubed and marinated in a mix of vinegar and garlic, then cooked in a rich curry containing vinegar. Obviously, we saw the whole process. That is how they make it. I cannot wait to show you. Oh, and he made it a little extra spicy for me. Look at that. Oh, dude, it looks spicy. Look at that. What? Oh, man, look at this. Look at that. So that gravy is nice and rich. All right, guys, I also want to show you where the state of Goa is. Again, this is India, right? Huge place, massive continent, right? Subcontinent. And this is, so we have Tamil Nadu, Kerala, you keep going up, right? But right here, that's Goa. It's one of the smallest states. I think it actually is in size the smallest state, or Sikkim might be the smallest. But look at that, just a tiny state right there. It was Portuguese. then eventually became part of India. And yeah, so that's why we get a lot of coastal dishes from here, a lot of seafood dishes. We have Goa fish, we have fish curries, we have a lot of shrimp dishes. They have endless seafood in Goa, but today we are jumping on the lamb vindaloo. Obviously you gotta pair it with some naan, put it here, break it correctly. This is how you break it. Please do it the correct way. And then here we have, so right here we have potato, right? So just, if you want, break up the potato like that, half. And then here, we have the incredible meat. So you break it up and then you go in with both, right? So to get that nice combination. So you have the lamb, you have the potatoes, you have the naan, and you have a super delicious spicy gravy. Oh, it's gonna be spicy, my friends. It will be, That meat, it literally just like falls apart. It's so well cooked, so tender. I mean, it's super spicy. So it's almost like a red chili gravy. Oh, God, I shouldn't have asked for that much spice. I mean, if you like spice, ask for the red chili powder, right? It's not as creamy as butter chicken, chicken tikka masala. This is more like a, I wouldn't say it's made with, it definitely isn't made with any meat, right? But it's a different type of gravy. No cashew base in here. No, yes, there is cashew base in every single dish, right? A masterpiece of a dish. The meat, the potatoes, great contrast there. You know, one's soft and mushy, the other one's nice and tender, but all that paired with the naan. This paste, this gravy is hot, super hot. And that's it, my friends. That is lamb vindaloo from the state of Goa. Incredible dish. My mouth is tingling now. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel Indian dish, which I think is Goa fish or fish Goa, something like that. All right, guys, peace.